For almost every business, there are such interesting jobs and careers and ways of spending your time that you'd never get to experience unless you went to different places and just heard from folks.
Igniting that spark for the students to realize that the time is now to start thinking about what their future holds and what they might want to pursue as they get ready to go into college and beyond.
The next generation is so eager to learn, more intuitive than we were years ago.
Taking what they learned from in the classroom and bringing it out into the real world.
It's part of what's called Career Discovery Week.
Coming into this event, I didn't really have an image on what I wanted to do in life. It was just mostly sports. I just wanted to play basketball, but now most of the doors have opened and I'm seeing more opportunities and stuff that I could possibly look towards.
I really enjoy asking questions to different people from different jobs when it comes to flight attending, tech ops.
We're always learning from the textbook, but it's great to have the hands-on experience. Seeing all these amazing women that are in this field right now, it just gives me more motivation to do that in the future.
I am elated to have them here, and I can't wait to see what they do in the future. It's such an incredible opportunity for really everyone that's involved, so we're excited to have you join us next year.